Some crazy times right now with the coronavirus, and most recently, the shutdown here in the state of Nevada shut down the entire Las Vegas Strip. Crazy. I was born here, never seen anything like it. Crazy times. I know a lot of you have lost your jobs right now, and you are concerned about how you're going to pay your mortgage or your rent. Maybe just the state of the market, interest rates, or you have questions about refinancing. That could free up some money for you. That's what we're talking about today. Let's get started. We have our official Las Vegas sports and entertainment lender with us today, Monica Voza with Vision Home Mortgage. I've used her for over 15 years in my personal business, and I gotta tell you, she is fabulous. She knows her stuff.
Hi, my name is Monica Voza. I'm with Vision Home Mortgage here in Henderson. We've been in the mortgage industry for 20 years, and of those 20 years, I've worked for the company for 13 years.
Hi, Monica. Okay, so the very first question I would like to address is what advice can you give homeowners? A lot of people are in a panic right now, very understandable. So what can they do? What advice can you give homeowners about their mortgage payment?
In regards to Americans struggling to make their mortgage payments, right now we are venturing into uncharted waters, unprecedented times for the mortgage industry. We don't know what exactly mortgage lenders are going to do, but I'm sure they are working diligently on that now. I do know that quite a few of my banks have been in endless meetings this week trying to navigate through what's going on. We did hear today that Bank of America is stepping up to offer deferred mortgage payments. What that means is that those that are struggling and not able to make their payments, that they do have something in place. They will be able to tack those payments onto the end of your mortgage. And I'm sure in the coming days, many other companies will probably follow suit. So the best thing to do if you are struggling and you know you're not going to be able to make your mortgage payment is contact your mortgage company immediately. See what they have in place, or if they can give you some insight as to what that particular company will be doing. Every mortgage company does work differently and will probably have some different type of plan in place. So be sure to call them. In regards to renters, if you know that you are going to struggle to make your rent payment, the best thing to do is to call your management office and let them know that you're out of your job, you've been furloughed, you've been laid off, or whatever it may be. Definitely give them a call and see if they have anything in place for you as well.
Thanks, Monica. That was some great information. I'm sure that's going to be helpful for a lot of people out there. Second question that we have for you, it's actually a two-part question. The Fed's just lowered the Fed rate to 0.24. And I was wondering what that means for the mortgage rates right now for people that are trying to buy a home. Second part of that question is, what about refinancing? What's your advice on people wanting to refinance right now?
So what's going on with interest rates? Within the last 3 weeks, we've had 2 rate cuts. The first rate cut created many refinances. We were pretty overwhelmed with the amount of consumers we were having calling wanting to refinance their loans. I was able to lock in at that time about 2.5 to 2.8% in interest rates, which was excellent. We were overwhelmed with business along with mortgage lenders and loan officers across the United States. So what that did was it created a large amount of volume that was being submitted to banks, which they were not prepared for. So in the midst of that, what it did was it overwhelmed banks. They were not staffed for that amount of volume. So what we saw on our end, as we're a mortgage broker, we work with dozens of mortgage banks. We saw that they artificially inflated rates to slow production for a little while until they got up to speed. We also were feeling the effects of the stock market and the coronavirus, and that was affecting rates as well. So we were continuing to see rates climb. The second rate cut more so benefited home equity lines of credit, auto loans, credit cards. So we didn't see much of effect from that, but we definitely saw rates continue to go up, and we are still seeing them continuing to go up with what's going on in the stock market. So we are watching closely. We have a list of people wanting to refinance, and we are waiting for the opportunity. So if you're considering refinancing your home, now is the time to get with your lender. Give them a call. Most of them are working remotely and will be able to, you can email your documentation or possibly even fax it to them and get your loan started. You can do your application disclosures, get it in through underwriting, and wait for the opportunity to lock into that low rate. Loan officers are watching rates diligently.
Great information, Monica. Thank you so much. We hope, everyone, that this helps. We hope that this sheds some light. You know, it's scary times right now, but we will get through this together.
Exactly, Judy. This is just a moment in time. It's short term in the grand scheme of things. We are all in this together, so be kind to each other. And please comment below or reach out with any of your questions. We are your resource for all your real estate needs or your questions about real estate. Guys, we also included some really helpful links for you below in the description. There's the coronavirus updates from the Nevada Health Response that you could check out. Nevada benefits, and that way it gives you access to all the benefits for the state of Nevada. We have the Veterans website. We have the Clark County School District to kind of keep you up to par on all the announcements from the school district. The unemployment website, so you can go there and apply for unemployment. We have the Small Business Administration website down there, and they're offering very low interest loans to small businesses. And then we also have the Housing Assistant website as well. So go check those out. We hope those help.
Thank you so much to our featured lender, Monica Voza from Vision Home Mortgage. We appreciate you and all the information.
We're actually going to put Monica's information on the screen for you right now. So if you have any additional questions about refinancing or anything at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to her. The girl definitely knows her stuff. Thanks for joining us today, guys. Stay positive, stay healthy, and try and enjoy each and every day. Even if it's not how we all want it right now, find something good in each day. I don't know, treat it as a crazy adventure or something. But it's still a gift to be here with our loved ones. Thanks for watching.